now when Magic School is open, you will go over to the left-hand menu and you will select Raina Chatbot. Once you click the Raina Chatbot button, it will send you to this page. Notice on the left-hand side, I still see the menu. In the middle, it shows me Raina. It shows me the chat, and it shows me the history of what I've asked Raina to do. So you will use Raina just like you would use ChatGPT or Gemini or Copilot by clicking inside the chat box and typing in what you want. Again, they do have some suggestions for you right below her little introduction, but say you wanted a lesson plan. In the chat box, I put my prompt, create a lesson plan using the WIPIA model about how to use AI tools to learn a new language. The lesson is for adult learners who are intermediate English speakers, readers, writers, and listeners. And now I will go over to this submit button, which looks like a paper airplane, and select it. And there is my lesson plan. I can then say that I want an assessment for that lesson plan. So I put in the box from the lesson plan generated, create a 10-question short answer assessment. And I will go ahead and submit again. So here is my short answer assessment, but it didn't give me the answers. So now I will ask it to give me the answers. I wrote, give me an answer key for the assessment. I will submit it. And from here, I can ask it to give me a rubric to score the short answers. So I wrote, create a rubric to help me grade the short answers to the assessment, and I will submit. And there is my rubric. All of these can be copied, edited, and of course, exported to Google Doc or Microsoft Word. So that's how you use Raina, and it's especially great if there isn't a tool that you can find within the Magic tools for you to use Raina like I just showed you.